Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to make 20,000 naira to 50,000 naira every week with your smartphone and internet connection, and with this website I'm going to be showing you right in this video. So if this is what you want, keep watching to the end of this video so that you won't miss any part of the information I'm going to be dropping here. And if you love videos that will be teaching you how you can be able to make money online from the comfort of your home, subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell in order to get notified by YouTube whenever I drop another update in this channel, and you'll be the first person to be notified. All right, let's dive into this video. I'll be placing the link to the website in the description of this video. Once you click on that link, it will bring you right here. So what you'll be doing here now is to create an account. So click on register. After clicking on register, you enter your name, your first name, your last name, your email address, your username, your phone number, your password, confirm your password. Then here is to get a coupon code. You click on verify, but you have to get your coupon code first. To get your coupon code, come back to this video and click on the second link I placed right here. Once you click on the link, it will bring you to the page. You allow it to load. Then you can greet, hello, good morning, or whichever time you are sending the message. So you wait for them to respond to you. Then once they respond, you just tell them, I want to get coupon code for registration. I want to get coupon code for registration. But first of all, you wait for them to reply your greeting, or just send the both. You send the both together. I want to get coupon code for registration. So once they reply you, they are going to give you an account number you're going to be sending 4,000 naira to. So once you send it, they will send you your coupon code, and once you get that coupon code, you will now click on the first link in the video. Once you click on the first link, it will take you to go and register on the site. So once you get to the page, you input your first name, last name, email, username, phone number, your password, then you insert the coupon code you'll be given right here. After doing that, you check the box, then you click on create your account. So after creating your account, you will now continue to log in. You click on this, you input your username and password, then you can be able to log in. So here now, as you can see, earning balance. Now let me explain the task you're going to be doing on this site. The first one is to invite. Once you invite someone to this site, they're going to be giving you $6.4, which is here right now. 6.4, that is for inviting one person, like $6.04. And if you invite two people, you'll be getting 12.8. That's what you'll be getting for inviting someone. And here, right here, you see PS trend earning. Here is when you share trends, you'll be given $1 per day. Every day you'll be getting $1. If you want to perform the task for share trends, you click on this 3/ above here. Once you click on it, you click on share trends. You allow it to load. Then you scroll down. Now you click on, we have two tasks to perform here. The first one is to like one video in YouTube. Then the second one is to like one video in TikTok. So you click on the button right here. You allow it to load. Alright, now just click on the like button. Once you do that, you just go back to the website again. You don't need to do anything there, just like the video and you come back. Now you go to the TikTok, you click on it. It will take you to TikTok to do the same thing. Just like and you leave. You don't need to comment, you don't need to share the video. Just like it and you leave, and you get your $1 every day. So you allow it to load. It will take you to their page, their official page. Alright, it's coming up now. It seems their page is taking time to load, but what you are expected to do right here is to follow their official page. You just click on follow, then you leave the page. Or if it takes you to a video, you click on the like button, then you leave. Now you go back to the website. Now if you notice, then we were having $31 in our share trends. So now we'll go back and see what we'll be having now. Click on this 3 slash right here, then you click on login. All right, you sign into your account. You'll see it will increase to $32. As you can see right here, our PS trend earnings is now $32. We're having 31 before, so now it has increased to $32. So this is how to perform the share trends and earn $1 every single day. So the earning balance here is when you invite your friend and they'll be giving you $6.04 per referral. So once you refer up to 2 people, you can be able to withdraw. Withdrawal day for this earning balance is Monday 10 p.m. and Thursday 10 p.m. So every Thursday and Monday you'll be withdrawing from your earning balance as far as you keep inviting your friends. And the good thing about inviting is when you invite your friend, you get $6.4. When your friend invites his own friend, you'll get $0.6. As they keep inviting, you'll keep making money from them. This is where the indirect referral is being recorded here. Those are the people that your friends are inviting, and these referrals are the place where yours is being recorded. And here is the all earnings, what you've earned in the site, or what you've earned in the site. I'm using this for just this video. This is not my main account. I have 2 accounts on this site. This is the second one I created for the purpose of this video, so I just used it to do some tasks so I can use it for this video. Alright, now the share trend, you can withdraw it on the 2nd of every month and you have up to $40 to withdraw. So once you get up to $40, you wait till 2nd of any month, then you withdraw your money. Even if you have more than $40 there, you can still withdraw it, or if you have less, you wait for it to complete 40, then you withdraw. So this is how it works. So to link your bank account, you will click on this second icon here. You will click on it. Alright, I have already linked my account to this site. That's why you can see my account number and my name right here. So once you click on it, since you've not linked yours already, you have to input your account number, then you verify it, then it will be added here. So whenever you place withdrawal, it will be sent to that account and you receive the alert in 2 or 5 hours. It depends on how many people place withdrawal that day, because many people are withdrawing from the site. So to withdraw, you just click on withdrawal, then you input the amount that you want to withdraw from the site. If you want to withdraw 300, you input it. Whichever amount you have that you want to withdraw, you just input it. Once you click on it and you do it, you will see successful. So you wait for your earnings to be sent to your bank account. So this is how this website works. If you have any question about this website, you can drop it in the comment section of this video, then I'm going to reply you immediately. So this is the right time for you to jump in on this site and start cashing out from it. You don't need to waste time at all. This is the right time to start, and you will start earning from it. As you can see on this screenshot, these are what we've been able to make from this, and so much more from different other people under me and from other people in the group as well. So this is how you can be able to earn from 20 to 50,000 naira every week if you're serious with it, and you'll be smiling to the bank. Thank you all for watching this video. See you all in our next video.